Welcome back to Kylie Hedgehog's video channel, Hedgehog fans. Today, I'm going to show you a really easy cure for the hiccups, which I have right now. Listen. Wait, I can't do it. I did it. Okay, so you need pickle juice. If pickle juice works, you can also use pickles. So I'm going to go get some pickle juice now. Okay, Hedgehog fans, I've got pickle juice. Let's try it out and see if it works. It's good and sour. Yum. Kind of sour. I hope you use this easy cure to make the hiccups go away every time you have the hiccups. To Hedgehog fans, bye! See you on the next video.